gentlemen, Sinesilip's very first Best Actress is... none other than Angela Morena!
Congratulations, Angela, from Pagkao. Truly deserving our first Best Actress.
That's right, our first ever Best Actress to the CCN Film Festival. None other than Angela Morena. Let's give her a big round of applause. Kakaiba talaga. Alright, Sid, if you can join Angela in the center for a photo opportunity. Let us capture this amazing moment. Woo!
Fantastic.
Maraming salamat po. First of all, Direk Carlo Obispo for writing this film, A Midnight Kiss Now, Pagdaong. Pangalawa, maraming salamat, Direk Pongs. It's really a teamwork. Thank you for collaborating with me. Yung pag-aaral ko ng character. Maraming salamat. Tinutukan mo talaga. Direk Dali Dulo for guiding us. We did a Meisner workshop na sobrang nakatulong po sa amin. To my co-actors, maraming salamat sa suporta since day one, since workshop, since nag-zoom tayo. Maraming salamat sa LGU ng Alan Summer. Maraming salamat po. Napakaganda po ng Summer, and I hope everyone will see our film kasi you will surely visit Alan Summer. Maraming salamat din kay Direk Marvin Reyes na pinakita po niya yung gano'ng kaganda yung Alan Summer. And of course, yung mga tao doon, napakabait, welcome kami dun sa Alan Summer. Well, my Viva family, my Viva Max family, to my Viva Max actors, to my Viva Artist actors, maraming salamat. You are my family. Sa lahat ng bumuo po ng Sinesilip Festival, maraming salamat. Isa kayo ang nagbukas ng mga opportunities sa mga ganitong klaseng kwento na hindi basta-basta pinapalabas, lalo-lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya, maraming salamat sa Sinesilip Festival, and tulad ng Pagdaong, may mga pangyayari sa buhay natin, may mga tao na dumadating sa buhay natin that are not meant to stay, but meant to change us. Kaya I really hope and pray that this Sinesilip Festival will be an instrument for a change, lalo na sa film industry.